If Apple CarPlay stopped working after updating to iOS 26, don't worry, this is a common issue. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once in there, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Inside General, scroll and tap on the CarPlay option available, and you will get to see the list of your car available. Now all you have to do is simply forget that and reconnect with it, or simply verify the CarPlay settings. If it is missing, then reconnect your iPhone, or if it is already available there, then forget the device and reconnect it again. Once you do so, go back to the settings general again and tap on the software update and update it to the latest version. Now, once you have updated, all you have to do is check your car manufacturer's website or dealer for infotainment updates. Now scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset all settings and reconnect CarPlay from scratch. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.